Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's episode, I want to talk about how to block yourself from negative people. Generally, as women, as mothers, as office goers, we all have a lot of negativity surrounding us, right? There are people who want to find fault in everything you do. Sometimes it is not about finding fault in the thing that you are doing, it is because you did that particular thing. So let me explain. If you made a chapati, the chapati might be good, it might be bad. That is not their problem. But because you made it, they want to make sure that it is bad, or even if it is good, they will say that it is bad. So there are people like that, and their main job is they don't have a happy life, so they want to make sure that people around them are not happy. So if there is something you will be happy about, they'll make sure they'll prick that balloon of happiness and they'll make sure you're sad. So there are definitely people like that in work environment, in families, among friends and everywhere, and it is our important duty to make sure that we identify these people and block ourselves from them. I can definitely say that I have spent a lot of time in my life justifying myself to these kind of people, like going and telling them, no, what you thought about me is actually not correct, I am actually like this is what I meant. But then ultimately I came to understand that that is not their problem. Their action is not their problem. Their problem is the person. So there is no point in wasting your time with this kind of people, because whatever you do, they will find fault with you. So if you know that a particular person is negative, if you know that Auntie A is always going to come and give you a criticism about the saree you're wearing, about your skin color, about you being thin or fat or whatever, if Auntie A is always going to come and give you some kind of unsolicited advice or feedback, then probably if you don't want to hear it, then block her out of the way. What I do is that I always place a person's comment and their importance on a balance. Let me explain. If a person is very important to me, then their comment is very important to me. If a person is like totally not important in my life at all, then the comment that they give, I won't even process it into my brain. So if you are able to put out this kind of a directly proportional equation, then the people who are very important to you, you can first accept their comment, and then also you can sit and evaluate their comment to find out if it is really the case, if their feedback or their criticism is actually valid or not, and then you can take a decision. But if that person is totally not important, then don't even allow that comment to enter your head. So next time you see Auntie A, if you're going to see her at a party or something, make sure to drop an imaginary alarm on top of her head. So when Auntie A is coming, let that alarm blink. So then you will be mentally prepared. Okay, now Auntie G is going to come and give me some kind of a comment, and now I have to make sure that I don't react to that comment. And then when she comes and gives you the comment, your heart will say, see, the alarm was actually correct. I knew she will come and give me this kind of a comment. Then what you can do is, since you already know that Auntie A's only target is to suck out your happiness, don't give her that straw to your brain to suck out that happiness. Okay, so tell her, okay Auntie, you are like least important person in my life, whatever comment you say, keep it coming, it's not even entering my brain. If you're able to block out these kind of people, that will definitely reduce a lot of negativity in your life. We have only 24 hours. We have a limited lifespan of maybe 70-80 years, and half that time is already lost for most of us. Then the remaining hours, the remaining years, do you want to spend it on your passion, your career, your family, your interest, or even your sleep, your eat? Do you want to spend it on that, or do you want to waste it on these kind of worthless people and pick up a fight with them, give them an explanation, you shout, they shout, you burn energy, they burn energy? Do you want to waste your time there? This is for you to decide. So the important thing is about picking the battles. So if you have limited time, make sure that you fight, or you use the fighting time only on things that will actually help you improve in life. If you're going to waste your time in fighting with useless battles, then you will not have the time, and most importantly the energy, to fight battles that are very important, that are very critical for you. So I hope next time you see these kind of people who you already know that they are definitely the people whose aim is to make you unhappy, then put that imaginary siren on top of their head, and when they come to you, be prepared for it, and when they give you a feedback, keep your heart saying that, I know she will do it. That's an internal joke that you can enjoy to yourself, and then let it pass. Do not ever please waste your time on useless battles. Pick your battles. Keep watching the Speaker Mama. This is the voice of an Indian mother.